Recently, I had a root canal fail that I had done back in high school, and I developed an infection a month ago, and he had to go in and do an implant. He worked on me for almost 3 hours. He did an excellent job. He was with me from the beginning, and he saw me very quickly when I called and said that I had an emergency. I was able to get in that day, and so he did an excellent job with my implant, and we're still waiting for it to heal, but in a couple of months, we're hoping to finish the procedure.
Nancy is a personal friend. I've known Nancy for almost 30 years. She came to see me, I think she started as a patient in 1998. Nancy was suffering from a failed root canal that was causing her a great deal of pain in her jaw, and it had to be removed.
When I had the implant done, I was very nervous. I've never had an implant before, and but his staff explained it to me from the beginning what was going to happen. It just made me feel very comfortable the entire time I was there. From the start to the finish, they were very great. They were very good at explaining all the details to me.
She actually texted me on a Sunday night and said that she was having a lot of pain, and we got her in Monday, first thing on a Monday morning, and uncovered what the cause was, and we went through the whole procedural steps of what's going to have to take place with her. It involved removing a pretty important tooth that's in the front of her mouth and doing a lot of bone grafting and pretty advanced surgery and implant at the same time.
I love my new smile. I thought Dr. Porter did an excellent job. When I look in the mirror and I see my smile, I love my smile that Dr. Porter has given me, and it makes me feel confident, and I can thank he and his staff for all that they've done for me and for my family.